Hello everybody, it's Freddy again, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own color glitter. So earlier today I made this yellow. Hopefully you guys can see it. It was originally white, so I'm going to show you how to make your own using oil pastel and white glitter. So I got this white glitter from Walmart. Hopefully you guys can see it good. And then I just got these oil pastels from Michael's. I actually got these about maybe 3 years ago, and I just decided to use them. So what you're going to need is your glitter from Walmart, your oil pastels, mixing cups, toothpick or popsicle sticks or a mixing stick of your choice, a container to put it in after it's done being mixed, and a Dremel. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you 2 ways how to make your own colored glitter. So let's get to it. So I'm going to take the cup, pour as much glitter as you want. You can put a lot or a little depending on how much you need. So I'll put it not even a quarter amount of glitter. So then all you do is you take your Dremel and you take your oil pastel and then you just put it in the cup, turn your Dremel on, and you just grind it. And you do this until you get the color you like. So before I even stir it, look at that purple. So next I'm going to mix it with my popsicle stick. And if it's not purple enough for me, I would add more of the oil pastel. But you can already see how purple that looks. And you want to mix it well. And then use your popsicle stick to break it up if there's any clumps. Mine doesn't have any clumps because the Dremel got them all. But look at that. So I already labeled my container purple. So now I'm going to put it in there. And it's ready to be used. Look at that. Wow. Alright, so if you don't have the Dremel, it is okay. I'm going to show you the second way to make your own colored glitter. So you just, same thing, take your white glitter, as much or as little as you want. But this time, instead of the pastels, we're going to use Pearl Pigments from Jacquard. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. Well, it's not zooming in. So let me see if this helps. That doesn't help at all. Okay, it's okay. I'll drop the link in the description so you guys know what it is. So for this, just take about 2 scoops using your popsicle stick. And it's just like the oil pastel, you're just going to mix. And this one is copper. And it's a pearl, so this glitter is going to be very vibrant. You see? And I'm making these because I'm making the glitter ornaments for my wife and daughter. I might send some out to the family if they get us anything for our baby shower. But if not, they're not getting one. I'm just playing. No, I'm not. But you see, since this one didn't have any clumps, this one mixes so easily. So now I'm going to put it in the copper container. And just look how perfect that looks. I'm trying to get it to focus. You spend all this money on these cameras and they don't want to focus. It's okay though. So that's it. That is how you make your own colored glitter. It's literally a 2-minute job. You know, my next video, I'm gonna show you how to put them in the ornament, because I'm still learning myself, so we're all gonna learn together. But thank you for watching. As always, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, just hit me up on Instagram at artbyfred_ or on Facebook at artbyfred2020. Alright, you guys have a good one. Bye.